It's not a good angle. Just don't shoot me, bro.
Nope. Still safe. Ready?
Go. Anything to say?
Take that.
Okay, just a quick video to show you one of the things that makes the modern sporting rifle platform, otherwise known as the AR-15, super cool. So, there's a standard cartridge, 5.56 or 0.223 inches in diameter on the bullet. That's a standard 22 long rifle. Also, well, 2.20. So that's the difference in bullets right there, for those that don't know. Okay. In the gun right now that I was shooting earlier today, I have the 22 long rifle conversion kit. So I'm going to break it open, pull out that's it right there. Slide that in, and now it's shooting 5.56 back to normal.